Hello and welcome to another video tutorial of WordPress. Today we are going to see how can we add grid box effect to our WordPress website. To add this feature we need two plugins, Marquee Addons and Marquee Addons Pro. So I have added both plugin, or I have activated both plugin for my WordPress website, and I will also add this plugin links in my video description. So let's see how this grid box effect works. So when I move my cursor, so this is how it's showing. So let's create this effect for our in our WordPress website. So currently I have opened a page with Elementor page builder. So we need a container to add this feature. So let's get a container here. So I have already created a container. So we need add a background here, like this one. So we can take this one for our background. So yeah, so I have set background image and make it min height, or okay, so make it vh, actually make it 100 vh. And also for image we can make it repeat, no repeat, and display size should be cover. So this is how it looks like. So we need a heading. So named it grid box effect. Okay, so add some text color into it and add size to it, 120 pixel, and make it center. And again select the container and make it also justify content center. So now our text is middle of our container. So let's add this effect. So I repeat that again. We need two plugins, Marquee Addons and Marquee Addons Pro. I have installed both plugin for my website. So now if I click on this container and go to style tab, so I can see here MA background. So if I select that to grid box effect, so we can see few features enabled for this container. So if I click on publish and click on preview, we can see that how grid box effects working. So when we move our cursor, so we can see the grid is visible here. So we can change that its color. We can change its color. For an example, if I click on publish, okay, so now it's white. So this is how we can also increase its size, and we can select type for it. For an example, if I select type fill and click on publish again, and let's see the preview again. So this is how it works. Now it's fill. So this is actually this effect works. So we can also change its size. For an example, I want it more big, so let's make it 70 and click on publish and see. So it's now bigger than previous grid. So this is how actually gridbox effect work and how we can add that for our container in WordPress. Thanks for watching.